So welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to share something with you. We have quite close to where I live something called a scrap store. I'm not sure what you'd call it in the US or Europe, maybe a thrift store, but it's a place where you can buy all types of crafty things at a fraction of the cost. I love it there, and I have been going about once a week, and I just wanted to share with you what I got today and to let you hazard a guess at how much it cost. So here we go. A reel of this black ribbon. I don't know how much is on it, but it looks like it's full. It's a sheer black ribbon. Ignore the prices on here as well, because this isn't what I paid. 25 meters of that beautiful blue satin ribbon. Again, 25 meters of this lovely pale blue. Look at that beautiful purple color, 25 meters again. I'm not going to have room for all of this. I think that's a royal blue. Again, 25 meters. I don't know how much is in here because I never opened the bag, but there's quite a lot. Look at that beautiful green. Anyway, all of that, all of these, can you see? Oh, am I going too close? Not going close enough, not sure. Anyway, all of these little black satin bows. Another bag of ribbon here. I'm going to turn the light on because I'm not sure if there's too many shadows. Hold on a minute. Is that any better? Not sure. Anyway, look at that. Beautiful colours. A big bag of buttons. Some more ribbon. I mean, how much ribbon can one person have? This is a really lovely, like a sort of burgundy wine colour, and this one, nice brown. Goes with so many things. I wasn't sure. I think this might be a necklace, but I thought that I might take it apart. Yeah, take it apart and maybe use some of these bits as dangles on journals and things. Anyway, quite nice. Some seed beads. Now, I mean, I use these a lot, and they cost, even if you buy them on somewhere like Temu, you would never get as many as this. And a bag like that would probably cost you £2. Wait till you find out how much I've actually paid. Blue buttons. A really nice pinky coloured ribbon. Paper Mania. A metre of that. More seed beads. I mean, you can never have too many seed beads, can you? Red. Yellow buttons. Different types. More seed beads in like a sort of pewter colour, a flat silver colour. Some different types of buttons, green. Oh my God, look at this. I'm not quite sure what it is. It's not elastic. First of all, I thought it was elastic. You'd have to have a very big-eyed needle to be able to sew with that, but look at that purple, that brilliant blue. I've got some more somewhere. Some more beads. More ribbon, because I haven't got enough. Love this blue, like teal, really beautiful. And some grey. I don't know if I like the grey, but I'm going to run out of space on the table in a minute. different polka dot ribbon. Very pretty. I bought some of this a few weeks ago in oranges and teal, really lovely colours. Now, oh, silver, some of that thread in silver. I'm yet to work out what I'm going to do with this. Maybe somebody can tell me what this is. Look at this. I wasn't quite sure what it was, but I thought, oh, I need to have that. Looks like a massive load of lace. I mean, look how much there is. Just loads of that. And some silk. I had to open this because I wanted to see what it was like. But look, isn't that beautiful? I have still got loads more. So right at the front of the shop, they have these big barrels, and whatever's in the barrel is actually free. So I got, I mean, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I don't know how much there is, but you know, there's a fair amount. You could do something with it. So this feels like a sort of cotton. That was free. And I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but look at this. Isn't that pretty? I'm sure I can find a use for that. And this, I think this might have been a sample of a fabric. I like that. And some, I think this is cotton, like a creamy coloured cotton. All this was free. Then I bought this. I've needed some brown fabric, and this is just a plain brown fabric. I actually bought some, that reminds me, from Amazon the other day for £5.99. I think I might send that back because this is a ½ metre and he charged me £1. This lovely, beautiful green, it's quite thick material, and there's ½ metre, although there feels like there's a lot more than ½ metre of that, but there's meant to be ½ metre. I'm not sure how much he charged me for that. And then, bear with me, okay, here we go. Some gold seed beads, and they've got nice big holes in them, so I'll be able to get my needles through those. Some silver seed beads, some mixed buttons, because again I haven't got enough of those. Some much larger seed beads in all different colours. I might separate those out into colours, I'm not sure yet. And look at these, some charms, if I can open. Look, a little lock and key. Be yourself. I'm really hoping that the camera's going to catch this because there looks like there's loads of shadows coming up. A cat, another cat, a key. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, 2 keys. Be yourself again. Oh, it looks like possibly a fairy sitting on top of a snail, I think. 2 cats. Oh, possibly a bottle of wine and a cup. A little teddy bear. 2 cats. Another cat. And 3 stars. So I thought that was quite a nice find because I haven't seen anything like that there before. More ribbon, 1 metre. That lovely blue, 3 meters. And these are all brand new ribbons as well. A silver ribbon, 3 meters. Look, more of this stuff that I don't know what it is. I've never seen anything like this. I'm not sure, like embroidery thread, you can separate the strands. I'm not sure you would be able to do that. In fact, I definitely don't. No, not that I definitely don't think, but I think that would be quite hard to stitch with. Some more gold seed beads. More ribbon. Beautiful colour. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but that's like a really deep purple grape colour. Beautiful. And I think 25 meters. And almost coming to the end now. More ribbon, more of the polka dot. This just looks so effective. In fact, I've used it on a project this week, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. And more buttons. So have a guess how much you think all that would have cost. Okay, £15. £15. So this week I have been making some clusters, and I'll show you where I've used that ribbon. So here and over the little dots I've done some, oh god, what are they called, those little stitches? I can't think what they're called. I'm sure somebody will know. Anyway, those stitches, lovely. And here again is some of that ribbon, the polka dot, but it's in a really bright, vibrant blue. And I've just made these. These are the seed beads. I just thought I'd make some clusters. I was looking at some on Etsy and they look really flat and quite, I don't know, boring. And I wanted mine to have a lot more about them. So yeah, I've added these bits that you pull off of the burlap. I've added those. Oh, look at that one, that's beautiful. I love making these because I do these in front of the TV, and I'm able to, because with a lot of crafts you have to sit at a table or have a lot of space. Oh, look at that. And with this you don't. So yeah, I've made loads of them this week, so I think I might put these in my Etsy shop. But if you're interested in finding out how to make these, let me know and I'll do a video. Anyway, until the next time, I will see you soon.